Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to log in MetaTrader 4 app on your device. First of all, tap on the application. Now, since this is the first time, the application will ask you for the various verification like to send you notification and just press on allow and also accept the cookies. Since this is the first time in this application, they will ask to open a demo account, so just press on a demo account. Now they will display a demo how the application actually functions. So once you are familiar with the operation of application, press on the setting at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the new account. Tap on open a demo account and tap on this. Now fill all the necessary options to be filled. It is asking your name, phone, email ID, account type, leverage, deposit. Now, for the account type, I am using Forex USD. You can take as you want. And for leverage, I am going for 1:2, and deposit, I am going for 5,000 USD. Now, once you have completed, tap on register, and you will get your login, password, and your investor, and tap on the done. And you have successfully created an account on MetaTrader 4 app. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials.